Hey everyone. Today, I'm diving into some incredible stories about real people who turned their burning passions into phenomenal success. If you're searching for that spark to get you moving, this is for you. Let's start with Chapter 1, From Hobby to Empire. Imagine this. A young woman, Sarah, always had a knack for baking. Every weekend, her kitchen transformed into a mini bakery. Despite her talent, she pursued a safe career in accounting. But here's the twist. During a local fair, she set up a small stall just for fun, and her pastries sold out in hours. That moment lit a fire in Sarah. She realized her hobby could be more. It could be a calling. Fast forward 5 years, and Sarah is now the proud owner of a chain of bakeries. Her secret? She believed in her passion and took that first scary step out of her comfort zone. Chapter 2, The Power of Persistence. Meet Mike. Growing up in a small town, Mike's dream was to become a filmmaker. Everyone told him it was a far-fetched idea. Limited resources, no connections. The odds were stacked against him. But Mike didn't let that stop him. He started creating short films with his smartphone, using his friends as actors. Over time, his skills sharpened, his stories deepened, and guess what? One of his shorts went viral online, catching the eye of a major film studio. Now, Mike is directing feature films in Hollywood. His persistence turned his dream into his reality. And finally, Chapter 3, Innovation Through Passion. Consider Anna, an engineer with a passion for sustainable technology. She noticed something troubling, the excessive waste generated by her industry. Instead of turning a blind eye, Anna used her passion for sustainability to innovate. She developed a new type of recyclable material that drastically reduces waste. Today, Anna runs a successful startup, and her products are used globally, all because she channeled her passion into solving a real-world problem. These stories are just the tip of the iceberg. They all started from the same place, passion. Whether it's baking, filmmaking, or engineering, these individuals didn't just dream. They acted. They remind us that with passion, persistence, and a bit of courage, turning what you love into what you do is not just possible, it's achievable. So, what's your passion? What's stopping you from pursuing it? Remember, every big success starts with a small step. Take that step today. Who knows? The next success story could be yours. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to chase your passion, not just your paycheck. Until next time, keep pushing forward and never give up on what makes you truly happy. Please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.